Hey guys, it's WT here from the Coin Alley. It is Friday, January 5th, and I want to bring you guys a quick update in regards to USI Tech and their news update that they provided to us today. Now, if you haven't already heard, USI Tech announced today that they are discontinuing business in the United States and in Canada. So this notice appeared in our back office today around noon Eastern time, and it's a very lengthy notice, but basically they're stating that a few weeks ago you might have heard about and I think I covered it on this channel, but there were two individuals down in Texas that were promoting USI Tech in an incorrect way, blasting stuff all over Craigslist, and the Texas Securities Commission issued a cease and desist to USI Tech in regards to the way these guys were marketing the USI Tech packages and business down in Texas. So today, this letter came out and pretty much stated that just because the way people were promoting the program in an incorrect way, this has created a problem for the company, and they've decided not to do business in the areas of the United States of America and in Canada. So what does it mean for distributors? Well, right now you can no longer refer people in the United States. You cannot really refer people anywhere. So no more referrals, no more commissions. If you are an existing customer in the United States and you're only a customer, you cannot purchase. There are no more rebuys in the United States and Canada. At this point, no additional information is available. I believe, from what I was told, the lawyers are drafting new documents on how to proceed with this. So by Monday, the leaders in the company should be providing more information as to the next best step. So as of right now, if you have packages on USI Tech, you will continue to receive your payouts until you reach the 140% or the 140 days on your BTC packages. So it is still business as usual. If you currently have packages on USI Tech, you'll continue to receive your payouts until you've received back the 140%. After that, you will no longer receive any payouts. If you were to receive any commissions, commissions were paid out today, and this would be the last day for commissions. So you wouldn't have received any additional commissions after today's date, which is the 5th of January, when they did announce the changes to the new announcement that they announced with the company. So if you are currently on USI, there is a very lengthy letter that you can read in your back office, and it talks about basically what's going on. And if you didn't receive your commission, unpaid commissions we expect to check your remaining unpaid commission within the next 2 weeks. As this is part of this process, we will also check, offset, reclaim commission claims of various distribution partners for unlawful double payments, rebuys, as well as for unlawful payments due to double accounts, multiple registrations, etc. So there'll be an auditing process that they'll be undergoing at the very moment. So right now, if you are a USI Tech promoter, you have any videos or anything on Facebook or anything on YouTube that is not up to par, it's not promoting the company in the best possible light, you're providing information that is not compliant, then you are urged to definitely go ahead and make sure that your videos or anything that is not compliant is removed from Facebook or from YouTube. So as of right now, this is all I have in regards to the announcement from USI Tech. I will definitely update you guys once I receive additional details. I will share them as soon as they become available. Alright guys, until our next regular scheduled video, take care of yourself and of course each other.